Are you at peace? Is there peace in your heart? Is there peace in your mind? There's no treasure like having peace. The peace which the world cannot give nor take away. That's my prayer for all of us in a special way. So mga kapatid, you are not at peace if you are in sin. Sin makes us unhappy. Ang taong may kasalanan, palaging naguguluhan. So this is the first thing that God offers us all. Come to me. Don't stay away from the Lord too long or too far. It's just a prayer away.